You have made it to week 2 of the challenge. Last week, we set a strong foundation by defining our audience, researching your niche, and outlining the book. This week, we're diving into the creative part, designing your book. By the end of this week, you'll have your book's interior and a cover that is ready to go. So let's turn your ideas into something tangible. Are you ready? Let's get started. So this week is all about bringing your book to life. We're going to tackle choosing the right tools for your design, creating a polished interior layout, and designing an eye-catching cover that grabs attention. Remember, you don't need to be a designer to do this. I'm going to guide you through every step of the way, and we're going to use tools that are simple and beginner friendly. So let's break it down day by day. So day 8, we are going to be deciding on our book's format. So let's choose a format that's going to work best for your book. Will it be a journal, a planner, a notebook, or something else similar? This decision impacts your design choices, so take a moment to solidify this. Ask yourself, what's the most functional format for my audience? For example, if you're targeting parents, a daily planner with a space for to-do lists might be ideal. If you're making a gratitude journal, lined pages with prompts could work. Let me know down in the comments, what format are you choosing? And then we can all cheer you on through the comments. Day 9, we are going to be picking our design tool. There are so many tools out there to create your book's interior and cover. My personal favourites are Canva and BookBolt, as you probably have guessed if you've watched any of my other videos. Canva is so intuitive and perfect for beginners, whilst BookBolt offers templates specifically for KDP books. So spend today setting up your account and exploring the tools. Play around with a template to get comfortable. And let me know down in the comments, what is your chosen tool for this project? I have got links to BookBolt and Canva down in the description as well. Day 10 is where it gets super exciting if you are a really creative person. This is where we are going to start designing, and we're going to focus on the interior layout today. So use your outline from last week as a guide and create a few sample pages. Keep it simple, clean, but functional. It's always better than being overly complicated. So for example, for a lined notebook, add evenly spaced lines. For a planner, include sections for dates, tasks, and notes. A journal, add a mix of blank space and prompts. Let me know down in the comments, what is the one feature that your book's interior absolutely needs? Day 11, we are going to finalize the interior design. Review the interior pages that you've already made. Are they consistent, easy to read, functional for your audience? Make any adjustments today and save them as a PDF file. This is the format that Amazon KDP needs. Pro tip here, I love using Canva's grid lines to align all of the elements perfectly. Remember, you can still keep tweaking all of these different adjustments that you're making. Keep revisiting this, because I think when you have a bit of time away from your design and then you go back and look, you can always see things to improve. So day 12, we are going to be learning the basics of cover design. Your cover is ultimately what is going to sell your book, so it's worth spending some time on. Start by researching some similar books in your niche. What colours, fonts and layouts do they use? Jot down the ideas and think about how you can stand out whilst still staying relevant. And just as a bit of a disclaimer, I've broken all these days down to 15-minute tasks, but if you feel that you need to spend longer and you've got that time available to you, then spend longer. 15 minutes is definitely a minimum, but if you can spend half an hour or an hour, or even work along multiple books at the same time. Now day 13, the big day is here, and we are going to design our cover. It's time to bring your vision to life. Open Canva or BookBolt and use KDP cover template to ensure that your design fits with Amazon's specifications. Choose a colour palette and a font that align with your target audience. Now, a few tips. Use bold, legible fonts. And if you're going to use cursive, make sure that those fonts are really big and readable. Stand back from your designs. Add a subtitle or a tagline if it enhances the clarity. And include an engaging image or pattern. Now let me know down in the comments, what are you preferring? A really simple cover, or are you going bold? And if you'd love to, you can always tag me over on Instagram at MrsD22. Would love to see what it is you're working on. And now finally, day 14, let's finalize and save that cover. After a bit of a step away from it, let's go back, double check everything. Does it stand out? Is the design clean and professional? And once you're happy, save the file as a PDF for KDP. Now, bonus tip here is make sure that you ask for feedback from a friend, or even in the comments section in this video. Fresh eyes can catch things you might miss. I'm happy to glance over any covers that you want to send over, and I will give you my honest feedback. My email is down in the description. Now, if you want to ensure that you are not missing out on any of these daily tips, then make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, you've subscribed to my email newsletter, because I'm sending out daily emails just for January. Usually it's a weekly one. And then also follow this playlist. So this is where you're going to find all of the information as it's being published. And if you're not following along in January 2025, it's absolutely fine. All of this is still absolutely relevant. And I would still love to hear from you and how you are getting on with the challenge. So by the end of week 2, you will have completed your interior design. You're going to have a stunning cover ready to upload. You're making incredible progress, so please keep going. If you are finding this challenge helpful, share your experience with a friend who might also want to join. And if you haven't signed up yet, it's not too late. Check the link in the description and join us today. Let's make your publishing dreams a reality. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. See you. Bye.